Do you ever feel like your body is working against you? Maybe it's the stiffness that creeps in after hours of sitting, the tightness in your back when you try to stand up straight, or that dull, nagging ache in your hips, shoulders, or lower back. It's not just age, it's your daily routine slowly locking up your body, one muscle at a time. But here's the truth, you don't need intense workouts or expensive equipment to feel better. All it takes is 15 minutes and the right kind of movement to start reversing the damage. In this video, I'll guide you through 5 powerful stretches that can help unlock your body, restore flexibility, and bring ease back into your day, no matter your age or fitness level. By the time we're done, your body will feel looser, lighter, and more alive. Let's get started. Number 1, butterfly stretch. This classic stretch is perfect for opening up tight hips and inner thighs, areas that often get tight from too much sitting or lack of movement. Tight hips don't just feel uncomfortable. They can throw off your posture, restrict your movement, and even lead to lower back pain. To begin, sit on the floor with your back straight and your legs extended in front of you. Now bend your knees and bring the soles of your feet together, letting your knees drop out to the sides like butterfly wings. Hold on to your feet or ankles, keeping your spine tall. For a deeper stretch, gently lean forward from your hips, not your back, while keeping your spine straight. Let your elbows rest lightly on your thighs if it feels natural, but don't push your knees down. Allow gravity to do the work. You should feel a deep stretch in your inner thighs and groin. Hold the position for 30 seconds to 1 minute, breathing deeply throughout. This stretch can increase hip mobility, reduce stiffness, and help restore balance in your lower body. Number 2, supine twist. This is one of the most relaxing yet effective stretches for your spine, hips, and shoulders. It gently decompresses your back, improves spinal mobility, and helps release tension in the mid and lower back. It's especially helpful if you wake up feeling tight or if you've just finished a workout and want a soothing cool down. Lie flat on your back on a mat or soft surface. Stretch your arms out to the sides in a T shape, palms facing up. Now bend your knees and bring them up toward your chest. Slowly lower both knees to one side, letting them either hover or rest gently on the floor. At the same time, turn your head in the opposite direction, keeping both shoulders flat on the ground. You should feel a gentle twist through your spine, a stretch across your chest, and a release in your lower back and hips. Hold the pose for 30 seconds to 1 minute, then bring your knees back to center and repeat on the other side. This stretch is not only great for your body, but also calming for your mind, especially when paired with deep, slow breathing. 3, cat-cow stretch. Think of this stretch as a wake-up call for your spine. It gently loosens your back, neck, and shoulders while encouraging healthy posture and better breathing. If you spend hours a day hunched over a desk, slouched on the couch, or looking down at your phone, your spine starts to stiffen and compress, which can lead to long-term discomfort. The cat-cow stretch helps reverse that. Start on all fours with your hands directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. As you inhale, slowly arch your back, lift your head and chest, tilt your tailbone upward, and let your belly drop toward the floor. This is the cow position. Now exhale and do the opposite. Round your back like a stretching cat, tuck your chin toward your chest, and draw your belly in. This is the cat position. Move gently between these two postures for about 10 to 15 slow reps, matching each movement to your breath. Over time, this flow can improve spinal flexibility, release built-up tension, and even calm your nervous system. 4, child's pose. Child's pose is more than a stretch. It's a full-body reset. It soothes the nervous system, lengthens the spine, and gently opens the hips, knees, and lower back. After a long, stressful day or a hard workout, this pose offers a moment of calm and grounding. Start on your hands and knees, then slowly shift your hips back until they rest on your heels, or as close as you can comfortably get. Reach your arms out in front of you, palms down, and let your forehead rest gently on the mat or floor. Allow your chest to melt down between your thighs, and let your shoulders relax completely. Breathe slowly and deeply, focusing on releasing tension with every exhale. Stay in this pose for 1 minute or longer, adjusting your knees wider if needed for more comfort. This is the perfect way to close your session, allowing your body to absorb the benefits of the stretches and return to a calm, centered state. 5. Calf stretch. Your calves do more work than you realize. Every time you walk, climb stairs, or even just stand upright, your calf muscles are engaged. When they're tight, they can limit your ankle movement, strain your knees, and even affect your balance. To stretch them, stand facing a wall or sturdy surface. Place your hands on the wall at shoulder height. Step 1 foot back, keeping it straight with the heel planted firmly on the ground. Bend your front knee and lean gently forward until you feel a strong stretch in the back leg's calf. Make sure your back heel stays down and your toes point straight ahead. Hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute, then switch sides. For an added stretch, you can use a step or curb. Place the ball of your foot on the edge and slowly lower your heel down until you feel a deep stretch. This move keeps your calves flexible, improves ankle range of motion, and helps prevent common issues like plantar fasciitis or Achilles strain. And just like that, you've completed 5 powerful stretches designed to reverse stiffness, improve mobility, and help your body feel refreshed, all in under 15 minutes. These aren't just exercises, they're daily habits that can help you move better, feel better, and live with more freedom. Whether you're unwinding after a long day, recovering from a workout, or just trying to stay active, this simple routine can make a lasting difference. Keep it consistent. Even a few minutes a day can lead to real improvements in your posture, flexibility, and overall well-being. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who could use a little relief too. And be sure to check back for more simple, effective ways to care for your body. Until next time, stay consistent, stay kind to your body, and keep stretching forward.